So guys, I want to do a quick explanation on how I made this analysis. Okay, so this is GBPUSD on a 15 minutes time frame. Now I'm going to make this easy starting from 4 hours. Today is 23 of January 2026. Now look, price was reacting from this key level here. You see how many times price used this place. Go to the line chart, you see where I draw this from, right? Now look at price rejected from here, break it, came back, reject from it, break it multiple times, and now price is also rejecting from this same place. Now I now went down to my 1 hour time frame. Okay, I went down to my 1 hour time frame. Guess what I found? I know that this place is not really that fresh on a 1 hour time frame, but look at this. This low was created on Thursday. Today is Friday. Now, at midnight, price came down and swept this low. That means liquidity have been swept. Now, if you go to 30 minutes time frame, sorry, my network is a bit bad. If you go to 30 minutes time frame, you find out that liquidity was swept. This is structure. Structure was broken to the upside. Now, if you look at this, this is a bullish engulfing candle. Look at the engulfing bar. That was the one I marked as our clean order block. If you go to 15-minute time frame, you find out another thing. Come on. Okay, yeah. On the 15-minute time frame, you find out that price later came down and swept the previous candle. Also swept all this low. You see that this place was also swept, then gave us a break of structure here. So this is a clean trade for me. Now I'm expecting price to come back to this other block, then I can buy from here. This is my first entry. Let's go back to 4 hour time frame. Just stay with me and try to understand. Okay, now on our 4 hour time frame, um on our 4 hour time frame, look at this. Is a break of structure here. This is a break of structure. If you draw your fib level from here to this up here, you see that this is the 50%. And now if you look at this structure, this is just a one leg move. Look at from here, price just went straight up. So there is high possibility that if price is coming, price can come and take out this low, because this will now be the liquidity, right? Now, but there is another alternative here. Now there is another alternative. Price can come down most of the time. If you see a one leg move like this, price usually come down to the breaker block. But if price do not use the breaker block and it came down to the apex, then it's going to break it, because there's no any inducement here. So that was why I'm expecting price to come down to this breaker block. If you go to 1 hour and 30 minutes, you see the breaker block more clear. Look at it. You see there is breaker block. Look at the rejection, how many times price have rejected from here, and then price broke it, leaving a very big displace imbalance here. So if this first place fail, then this place will not fail. Look at our inducement here. Price will come down, sweep it, fill part of this imbalance, and then reject from here. So I just analyzed this trade. Now I felt like maybe I should share it with you guys. Okay, if you go to let's use 30 minutes, you will see it more clear. You see, this is a very big imbalance. I just mark this candle. This is a very simple trade, a very simple trade. So this first place is my first entry and this is my second entry. If you are risking 1%, you divide it into two. Risk half here and risk the other half here. This is Euro USD. Euro USD is currently rejecting from a zone here. This a displacement here and also a 4 hour key level. And now we have a break of structure on a 30 minutes. Now I'm expecting price to come down to this other block here. This other block. If you watch very well, you find out that these are all QM, quasi model. Now the quasi model rhyme with the other block, that's why I picked it. And now it is the zone that is more closer to this liquidity, this inducement here. Look at this pullback was made on Thursday, so price can come and sweep it and then start buying, because I know that a lot of people are already in this place that will want to buy. So price can just fool them like what it's doing now, like this, come here and continue buying. So that is just it, guys. I love you guys. Bye. Like and subscribe, and please, you can invite your friends to like my channel. I share so many educational videos here. So bye.